I'm 290.
That is full? Just kidding.
No.
All right, catch weight. Best of 5.
In the torta class. Hell yeah.
Go. I like that class. That's my favorite class.
Square up a little more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Right there. Good. Okay. Wrist is good. Everything's good. Okay. A little bit back this way. A little right there. Okay. Okay. Don't move. Go!
That's one for Josh.
1 minute rest. Switch sides.
Switch sides. Oh, there he is. I was just clarifying. Everybody's like, oh, Daddy takes the win. But it's flat. Oh, shit. And the funny thing was, it was good. I feel like I should be drinking more water. It's like as he went, you should be drinking.
Get close, get close.
Square up those shoulders. A little bit more, a little bit more. Shoulder in a little bit more. Okay, good. Good right here. Back this way, just right there, right there, right there. A little too much. Right there. Okay. Okay, we're good on that side. Wrist a little bit out right there. Good. Okay. Don't move. Go!
Closer, closer. Pull back. Drop down.
Yes! Right there. 1-1.
Yes!
1 minute rest, switch sides.
Keep rising and keep dropping. Okay. Rising, drop. Are we switching again? Don't.
How you living? Good.
Don't.
Good. I lost another 7 or 8 pounds. I had a new job, so I like physical all day long. I'm down to 237.
Yourself fall back.
225. And I just live there. Yeah, I'll feel better. I haven't been 235 in like 3 years.
Need some a little more backside.
Yeah. They say you gain like a pound a day when you're on them. Oh my god, it's insane. I was on them. Whenever you want.
Get higher.
Hand on the face. Square up a little bit more. Right there. Yep. Okay. A little bit back this way. Right there. Okay. Good on that side. Okay, good. Don't move. Go!
2-1. 2-1. Alan's sick, yeah, really sick.
I thought you quit.
Got one more round.
Oh, you're the man. Thank you so much. Good, too. Yeah, I got the other one. I got all of this. Yeah. I went this morning to his house.
That's fine, good.
Set it up, and then Jacob was running it. You got it, Jacob. Yeah, I'll go to that.
10, 9,
Drop slow.
8.
Get higher. Get higher.
Okay.
Get higher, closer.
Right there. Good. Okay, and you just come down off his knuckles right there. Okay. A little bit back towards him again. Right there, right there. Okay, good. Don't move. Go!
Control his fingers. Control his fingers.
Watch that elbow.
Go.
Match.
Yeah,
Winner.
that's match. Give us the flex for the camera, bro. More flex for the camera, bro. Big Josh.